Okay. Okay. We already discussed about interpolation definition and types of interpolation. The interpolation is nothing but we have to find out the intermediate values. Intermediate values, that is called interpolation. And types of interpolation we already discussed. For equal intervals, and second one is unequal intervals. For equal intervals, there are two types: Newton's forward and Newton's backward method. And second one is unequal intervals. There are two types. One is Newton's divided difference interpolation, and second one is Lagrange interpolations. Okay. Now, first we will discuss the Newton's forward interpolation. Newton's forward interpolation. We already discussed when Newton's forward interpolation will be used. Remember, in tabular column, the given x value to find out the corresponding y value. Okay, the given x value at the beginning of the tabular column. The beginning of the tabular column, at that time we can use the Newton's forward interpolation. The given x value to find out the corresponding y value, the x value end of the tabular column. End of the tabular column means at that time we can use the Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay. Now we will discuss Newton's forward interpolation. The definition for Newton's forward interpolation: it is used for interpolating the values of y. Interpolating the values of y nearer the beginning of a set of tabular values. Nearer the beginning of a set of tabular value. At that time we can use Newton's forward interpolation. Example: x is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and corresponding y value 7, 19, 27, 46, 98. Suppose to find out x is equal to 5 and what is the corresponding y. At that time, here the x value nearer beginning of the table. Nearer beginning of the table. At that time, we can use Newton's forward interpolation. That's why here given it is used for interpolating the value of y nearer the beginning of a set of tabular value. Set of tabular value. At that time we can use the Newton's forward interpolation. Suppose x is equal to 9, to find out the corresponding value of y. Here the x value end of the tabular column. Here the x value end of the tabular column. At that time we can use Newton's backward interpolation formula. Newton's backward interpolation formula. Okay. First we will see the Newton's forward interpolation formula. There are 3 steps. Step number 1, the given x value and corresponding y value, we have to prepare the difference table. We have to prepare the difference table from the given value of x and the corresponding value of y or f of x. Y or f of x. We have to prepare the first difference table. And step number 2, to calculate the value of p. To calculate the value of p by using formula p equal to x minus x naught divided by h. x minus x naught divided by h. First, what is the value of p? Oh, sorry, what is the value of x? X stands for which y or f of s is to be calculated. Here x is given. To find out the corresponding y value calculated, this x value we have to initialize here. And the x naught value, it is initial value. Initial value means this is the initial value. This is for x naught value, this is for x1, this is for x2, and this is for x3, and this is for x4. This is the initial value, and this is for last value. In Newton's forward interpolation, x naught initial value. Initial value means this is the initial value of the tabular column. We have to insert x naught value here. And h is the equal intervals of between two x values. What is the difference between these two? Intervals 2. And these two intervals 2, and these two intervals 2. This is called h. We have to initialize the h value for equal intervals between two x values. And step number 3, we have to use the Newton's forward interpolation formula. Newton's forward interpolation formula. Y of x equal to y naught value plus p delta y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square y naught plus p into p minus 1 p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y naught plus p into p minus 1, p minus 2, p minus 3 divided by 4 factorial. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 elements. In down, we have to initialize the 4 factorial. Here 1, 2, 3. 3 means we have to initialize in down 3 factorial. Here the 4 factorial means delta power 4 y naught plus up to recurrent level. We can extend the formula up to recurrent level. Okay. In Newton's forward, there are 3 steps we have to follow. Step number 1, we have to prepare the difference table. Step number 2, we have to calculate the p value, and then we have to substitute the value in the formula.